living in harmony with nature. The Khoisan understand the rhythms of the earth. They take only what they need, ensuring that life flourishes for future generations. Every plant has a purpose, some for food, others for healing. Every animal is honored, not just hunted, but thanked, their spirits revered. Their knowledge is unparalleled. They read the land like a book, tracking an animal for miles just by a bent blade of grass, a single hoofprint. They find water in the driest deserts, surviving where others would perish. Their diet consists of wild fruits, nuts, berries, tubers, and hunted meat. They use plants like the Hoodia cactus to suppress hunger during long hunts, and the devil's claw root for pain relief. Before and after a hunt, the Khoisan perform sacred rituals. They ask the spirits of the land and animals for permission, ensuring they never take more than they need. After a successful hunt, a ritual dance is performed, honoring the animal's spirit and thanking nature for its sustenance. Their spiritual connection to the land remains unbreakable. They see themselves as guardians, not owners, of the natural world.